Today I would like to talk to you on a new topic called strategic sales management. What is strategic sales management? It's basically a very new approach to sales management. Now let us discuss now what are the objectives of the strategic sales management. There are 4 objectives. First objective is retain existing customers. That is the first objective. So what is the second objective? Price for profit. What is the third objective? Manage each customer for long-term profitability. Fourth objective is to focus on high potential profitable accounts. These are the 4 objectives for building volume, retaining customers, pricing for profit, and also long-term management. Now, this new approach requires 4 things. One is sales task clarity, second is sales force architecture, third is marketing sales relationships, fourth is sales management systems. Let me elaborate one by one what this new approach requires. First one, when I say sales task clarity, you should know very clearly which accounts you are focusing. Number 2, which products and services you will be talking to them. Number 3, which activities you will be performing with those accounts. Number 4, what kind of interactions you will have with those accounts. These 4 things give you sales task clarity in terms of whom you will meet, what you will talk, what activities you will do, and what interactions you will have. Second one, sales force architecture is basically, in sales there are hunters, there are also farmers. There has to be a balance between these hunters and farmers. Hunters are those who open new accounts, and also they can do sprint selling to bag the orders or close the orders faster. Whereas hunters are different from farmers. Farmers are basically, they emphasize the service, and farmers protect the established business. So is there a balance between these hunters and farmers in the sales force architecture? Third point is, there are people of marketing sitting in the head office, there are sales guys in the field. What are the relationship between both of them? Is there a complementarity? Is there a collaboration? Is there a confluence and catalyzing effect between both of them, marketing and sales, in their relationships? Fourth requirement is sales management systems. The systems can be broadly categorized into 3 systems. First one is measurement system. How many accounts, how often you are meeting, what kind of business they are doing, what kind of the profitability they are giving, is all measurement and metrics. What system you have designed for that. Second one is competency creation system. What kind of system you have created to build skills of Salesforce, that is competency creation system. Third system is motivation system. How do you motivate? What systems you establish to recognize people, reward them, promote them, and then they becoming brand ambassadors for the organization. These are the 3 systems, important ones for the new sales management, strategic sales management. Now friends, please remember, selling is not just going and talking to whomever you want to talk, whenever you want to talk, whatever you want to talk. It requires a strategic approach. It has to be focused on profit, pricing accordingly, long-term relationships, and systems of measurement, systems of competency creation, systems of motivation. Thank you so much.